Good morning, afternoon, everyone. Welcome to today's presentation on Mastering Time, a comprehensive guide to telling time and time expressions in English. Well, being able to accurately tell time and use time related expressions is crucial for effective communication in English. During this presentation, we'll cover the fundamentals of telling time, time expressions, different time formats, and some common idioms and phrases related to time. So, first, let's start with the basics of telling time in English. We use a combination of numbers and a specific vocabulary to express the time accurately. For example, we say it's 3 o'clock or the time is 9:45. When telling time, we use terms like o'clock for the exact hour and phrases like quarter after or past or half past to indicate the minutes. It's also common to use the terms AM for morning times and PM for afternoon and evening times. So in English, we often use prepositions like at, in, and on when referring to time. For example, we say, I'll see you at 7 p.m. We're having a meeting in the morning. Or my birthday is on Saturday. Using these time expressions correctly is essential for clear communication about when something happens or will happen. Now, it's very important to understand the difference between digital and analog time representation because digital time displays the hours and minutes in numerical format like on a digital clock or an iPhone, and analog time is represented by the positions of the hands on a traditional clock face. So being able to read and interpret like both digital and analog time formats is a valuable skill in various contexts. In many English speaking countries, the 24-hour clock is like widely used, especially if you're in the military or transportation or healthcare settings. In this format, the hours range from 0, which is midnight, to 23, which is 11 p.m., without the use of AM or PM. For example, 2 p.m. will be written as 14 and 8 a.m. will be 8. So understanding and using this format is crucial for effective communication in certain contexts. Now, in addition to the basic time-telling vocabulary, English has many idiomatic expressions and phrases related to time. So mastering these expressions can add depth and nuance to your language skills. For example, the phrase once in a blue moon means something that happens very rarely, while in the nick of time refers to doing something just before it's too late. Another common expression is time flies, which means that time seems to pass quickly. Understanding and using these expressions properly can help you communicate more naturally and expressively in the English language. As with any language skill, mastering time and time expressions in English requires like regular practice. So it's really important for you to engage in exercises, conversations, and real life situations that involve in telling time and using time related vocabulary. Because the more you practice, the more comfortable and confident you'll become with this essential aspect of English communication. So now I want to thank you all for your attention during this presentation. By understanding the fundamentals of telling time, time expressions, different time formats, and common idioms related to time, you're taking an important step towards mastering this crucial aspect of the English language. So remember, practice is key to solidifying your skills. So please make an effort to incorporate what you learn into your daily conversations and interactions. I'll now be happy to address any questions or clarifications you may have. Thank you again for your participation.